Hello guys, welcome to Sabra Engineering World. So this is the introduction of AutoCAD 2017. This is the very first interface of this AutoCAD. So you can see the recent documents option there that were opened earlier. Okay, so what we need to do to get start drawing. Okay, so this is the interface of AutoCAD 2017. Okay, so this is the grid you can see there, and there is the origin point. Okay, there is a ribbon below. There you can see several options: display grid, on and off, and there is a snap mode on and off option. You can on it. Okay, there is a ortho mode in which lines will be perpendicular and parallel. Okay, the straight lines. If you off that, you can make the inclined lines also. So this is the restrict cursor to specific angles. Okay, so this is isometric drafting. It will be used in 3D. Okay, so this is the show snapping reference lines. It will help you need to keep it on. Okay, snapping cursor to 3D points. This is also very important, in which you can locate endpoints, midpoints, center, and many other commands. Okay, so this is the ratio. You can scale any file, or you can say scale any drawing into the various options given there. Okay, so these are the settings. If you need to do the 2D, so you need to select the option drafting and annotation. If you need to do 3D basics, okay, you need to do the 3D basics. If you need to do the modeling or assembling, you need to select the option 3D modeling. Okay, so these are the decimals. You can choose according to your okay. Now what we need to do, first of all, this is the command box. You need to put unit, type unit there, and you will select unit. What you need to do, select the unit. It is very important thing. So we will do millimeters. Okay, so now these are the command boxes. Draw lines. Okay, line, polyline. What is difference between line and polyline? If you draw lines, it will be breaked, and if you draw polyline, it will be converted into a single object. Okay, these are the circles. Center radius, center diameter circles, 2.3 point. Okay, tan radius, tan radius. There are several types of arcs there. Okay, now these are the rectangle option and polygon option. If a shape has more than 4 corners, what we need to do is to choose polygon. Okay, so these are the center ellipse arcs. Okay, this is the hatch option, what we use in sectioning. Okay, it's very important also. These are the move, how to move a object from one place to another place. These are the copy options. Stretch, how to stretch a line. So this is a rotate option. Mirror, how to mirror things. Okay, these are the scales. Okay, these are the polar array, rectangular array, different types of array given there. Okay, trim, extend commands. This is offset. Okay, text, how to add text in this. Okay, dimensions, dimensioning object or a component. These are the layers. Okay, so now this property option is very important. What you need to do, these are the layers. According to the drawing, you need to change the line thickness. It's very important. Okay, now what you need to do is to if you are dimensioning a component and the dimensions are size of the dimensions are too high or low, what you need to do is to just go there and choose other option and then load. Okay, so these are the command lines what you need to choose first of all. Command lines, borders, 5x, 2x. Okay, there. Okay, so we will choose 2x. Okay, so it will be shown there. Okay, so now by this you can change the layer of lines. Okay, so what you need to do is to select the option, type there dim. So there will be dim style. Okay, a text box will be there. Okay, you need to modify. So there's modify, you can change the arrow size there. Okay, and you can change the text size there by changing this. Okay, you can change the lines, different type of lines, primary fits, you can see the decimal points. Okay, you can edit the tolerances according to your requirement. Okay, and many more options like insert options. If you want to insert any attachment files, you can attach from there. Okay, annotate. So this will help you marking the center points of circle and center lines of any other things. Okay, dimension options are also there. So this is parametric. Parametric will help you in the geometric area. Okay, if you want to make a line perpendicular or tangents, you will use that options. Okay, these are the view options. It will be used in most probably in 3D drawings. Okay, these are also manage options, user interface, export, and many other things, outputs, how to print, plot print, batch print. Okay, previews, how to preview. Okay, many other things. So we will continue in our next video. Thank you, and subscribe our channel for more videos.